Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. This video tutorial shows the fundamental steps for using Microsoft Outlook. Open your internet browser. Go to Outlook.com. Click on Sign In and you will be redirected to the Sign In page. Enter your email address given by your school or institution and click Next. Enter your password, then click Sign In. If you don't prefer to save your password on your device, click Not Now. You can also choose whether to stay signed in or not after each session. Once signed in, you'll be directed to your Outlook inbox. Use the left panel to navigate. Inbox for received emails. Sent items for emails you've sent. Drafts for emails you've started writing but haven't sent yet. Compose a new email by clicking New Mail. Type the email address of the person. If you don't know the correct email, you can browse the school directory and search for the right person from the list. Add a subject to your email and start composing your email. Don't forget to add your name signature at the end of your message. To send an attached document, click on Insert Attach File. Browse this computer and choose the document, then click Open. Make sure that your email is ready to send and then click on Send. After sending the email, it appears in the Sent items. To sign out from Outlook, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page, and then click Sign Out. For more video tutorials, visit our YouTube channel.